Alright, what's up? We're back at it underneath the G50. I was trying to find a tool to remove my pilot bushing and I can't find it. But sourcing around on the internet, good old YouTube, I found a way to remove it because I don't have the proper tools to do this. I'll bolt one nut. The idea is to put pressure on this nut, holding it down in order for me, or right on the lip back there, in order for me to press it out basically. So, flathead, I can't really see. I'm holding it down, and then with the driver. Yay! There we go. That actually does work. I already got a new pilot bushing. This isn't bad, there's really not that many miles on it. But the fact that you should just replace it, because you're right here, good example. You're already right here, just replace it. Alright, so we're on the move to installing the new clutch, putting on the pilot bearing back in. Damn, how much is 68? Man. So you might find this funny. As I'm tightening these bolts down, obviously you've seen that crank was moving. My foot is linked to a ratchet holding my crank pulley. So as my leg's on the pulley, I'm also doing this over here so it doesn't move. So yeah, that was fun. There you go. Alright, forgot to mention that this clutch is from Unique Motorsports, or Unique Performance and Tuning. I went with their Stage 2 option. I was gonna go with the Stage 3, but I'm not pushing all that power. And maybe I probably should have, based on how much load this thing's gonna be taking, especially when drifting and clutch kicking and all that. But I mean, we'll start off with the Stage 2. I'm not really gonna cry about having to take this out again, so it's not that bad. But yeah, Stage 2 Performance Clutch Kit by Unique Motorsports, or Unique Performance, sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Unique Performance and Tuning. Next up is torquing down the pressure plates. I'm gonna do all by hand first. It's supposed to be about 14 to 16. I don't want these too tight. Alright, let me tell you. Whew. Pop real easy. That 32-pound torque bolting process was a lot easier than that 68 one. But yeah, all in, good to go. Probably drop the transmission, not drop the transmission, but we'll put the transmission in tomorrow, maybe have some time. Yeah, probably then. But I think we'll just take it at night right here. That was a good process. That was a good day. Well, welcome back, everyone. We are on the day of installing the transmission. I just spent some time cleaning the inside. Did a thorough clean. It was super dirty in there. All that gunk and tar was just all over on the inside of this thing. So hit it with some brake clean and some simple green, doused it down, and then sprayed it down with a pressure washer and just finished it off, honestly. So I got the new what's it called? What's this thing called? Throw out bearing. So we got some high temp grease on there. The throw out bearing is on. Had a little bit of a complication. Let me show you guys from this point right here, which was causing a lot of issues, and it just kept slipping off and like falling. So instead we jacked it up upon the transmission mount point and just slowly guided it in. And so what I'm doing right now is meshing up the transmission to the engine, and it should be falling in pretty shortly. I'm going around doing bolt by bolt, making sure we get a smooth transition in. It's already mounted to the frame of the car, so we're all set there. So I'm trying to block that glare. But yeah, we should be getting in there very shortly. But yeah, just a tip: jack it up from the transmission point if you're trying to put it in, especially if you're working from the floor. Right there on that point, it's just gonna fall. That's the heaviest part. Is this section right here between this point and right here is the heaviest part. So don't have it on the transmission mount. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe I'll just upload all this all together at once. Cool. If I do, I'll take this clip out. If I don't, then what the heck am I putting this in the video for, right?